Hello and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets on Friday the 10th of November, looking at cable, which has sort of stabilised a little bit in the last few days. Again, it is still holding on to this uptrend, this long-term uptrend. Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out, which is still playing a role, I think, in holding up the market above 130 big figure. It had a bit of a low last week of 30.37, but it's holding on, and that's above the 30.25 key low from October. Still basically in a range then, but you're sort of in the bottom half of the range, and that resistance at 31.75, which had been in place for the first half of this week, is still a factor, and the market is sort of trading sideways. Very, as I said in the morning report, very sort of slight negative bias on the momentum indicators, and that purely comes from the fact that we're trading in the bottom half of the range, I think. So 31.75 is your key level to break to the upside, as the market has bounced again off this uptrend, and is holding the support. And that UK industrial and manufacturing production data that we saw earlier today is supportive of sterling. But generally speaking, I think this could be a Brexit play today. Brexit negotiations are ongoing, and any sort of press conference that delivers anything positive or negative, or soft/hard on Brexit, would be a driver of sterling, certainly. Something that comes out suggesting that the UK is moving towards an agreement would suggest that sterling would be supported by that and then pull it higher. 31.75, as I said, initial resistance. You see that on the hourly chart, and the market is basically sort of trading a little bit sideways, so it's now sort of settling down again. But yeah, just whilst it's below 31.75, it would be sort of mildly negatively configured within this range, but a break up through that level would reopen the sort of upper reaches of the range again. You got that old sort of pivot around 32.30, which is a factor, and then you're sort of looking at the highs of the range once again. But for now, we are stuck under this 31.75, and that would be the sort of breakout level that the bulls would be looking out for this afternoon. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.